handsome little man. You made me one proud dad, and I'll always be your biggest fan. Remembering when you were a little boy, you filled my heart with so much joy. So awesome to see you always happy just to be with me. The fun we had playing together, I never thought it could get any better. Makes me smile, those little things you used to do meant the world to me. Just you being you, my handsome little man. You made me one proud dad, and I'll always be your biggest fan. The little things like sneaking in our bed, always nice. Even in the middle of the night when you wanted ice. When I was sleeping, you'd open my eyes with little fingers. Or how you were the best bathroom singer. Feels like you grew up so